So Google Stitch was just released, and I thought I would jump on the hotness train and show you guys a practical example of how I'm thinking about using it in one of my startups, which is Game Monument, a platform that enables video game developers to sell in-game monuments to their player base. And a monument can be anything that you can attach a name and a message to. So it could be a plaque, a brick in a road, statue, anything. And in the case of my example game here, I have a town square and I have a statue and road bricks where people can put their name and a message in and actually have players in your video game. So that is something I wanted for my own video game, so I made a platform for it. So the site is fine. It's, it's a little AIE with its user interface and everything about it. So I'm like, I know I need to redesign this at some point to really kind of make it more slick and modern and not have it look as, like an AI built it out. So I thought Google Stitch would be a cool platform to use to kind of see some variations. So instead of using something like Figma or getting another designer on board, you can actually feed a bunch of designs and examples and inspiration into Google Stitch and have it come up with something. So here's some of the examples that it came up with, and you can iterate from here. You can select it, and then you can have it iterate further on these various pages that it came up with based on Game Monument. So I just gave it a little bit of direction, not much of a prompt, quite honestly, just to kind of say, hey, I'm looking for a sleek, modern feel with some other elements that really kind of make Game Monument jump out at you. And these are static, but from here you could have, more elements, some mouse cursor effects or something happening within each of these designs. It also gives you kind of a color palette, so you could mess around with these various color palettes. You can export them. You can export the pages. You just got to select it right there. You can do code to clipboard. You can, you can export it for Figma. You could also just continue to iterate on it here within the Google Stitch Studio. So just wanted to show you guys just a very quick example. I encourage you guys to check it out. If there is something that you guys want to iterate on, why not just jump in here and see what the AI comes up with? Could be really cool. So check it out for yourself, Google Stitch. Let me know what you think in the comments.